Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create simple IT support ticketing in Microsoft Planner. The first thing you have to do is to sign in into your Planner by using a Microsoft account. And after you've logged in, it'll appear something like this. Once you're in your profile, then for you have to go where it says create plan. After you create plan, make sure you click on basic plan and create basic plan. And here, then you can name the plan. You can name it IT support, and then also you can put it the group that you share it with. Click on create basic plan. And then this will come out. And then you can add a new bucket list of what it is. Such an example, if it's new, in progress, or is too urgent. Once you do that, then you can add tasks. Then the task you add, you drag it and move it on the certain position that it needs to be. And then you can coordinate with your team to see which one is resolved, which task is still new. That's how you do it.